Dear all, today we'll see how you can create the meetings in our Teams, Microsoft Teams, right? So for that we need to search the Microsoft Teams, right? So when you search in Google, you will get this link www.microsoft.com, right? So you can chat, you can create the meetings in our Microsoft Teams, right? So when you click on this, so you will get sign up for free and sign in, right? So we already created the accounts. If you have already created account, so you can directly sign in, or you can create the account for free. So in our Somya college we have already got our Microsoft Teams account, so we'll click by sign in here. So you can use another account, or you can use login by your Somya credentials. I already logged through this email because my already account created by our team. So provide the password, or you can reset your password, but for if you are not able to reset, you have to contact your IT administrator, right? So we'll sign in by this. Okay, don't ask me. I'll keep stay sign in my browser. Or you have if you want to log in or use through Windows or any app, so you can download install that app in your system. So I already installed my Microsoft Teams in my system. So here I have a Microsoft Teams app installed, so I can use that app. So here also it says me, if you have app you can use that, so use the web app instead. So if you want to use that through this web based, so you continue, otherwise you can go to app. So I use web here, also you can use app here. So same here, I need to log in through this app. Okay, so it will show me the content. Okay, so it will take some time, but after that you will get this window, so you can create your teams. So here we have already created one team. You can create another team, or you can become a owner. So by clicking here you can create the teams, and you can add members in that team. So I have one team of my department. Now you can create assignment here, you can create meeting. So we'll see how you can create the meeting. So here you need to click on calendar. If it is not there, you see here and search the calendar, and you can add this here, right? So I already here calendar, and I want to create the meeting. So in the calendar you see here, you can directly click on new meeting, or create the meeting now. So select the timing, or you can directly choose here. So on 3rd or Thursday, I want the meeting at 1 p.m. I have to schedule the meeting, or you can create the session. So click on that. So or here also you can change the date, no problem. Give the topic. So meeting, this title is meeting for discussing Microsoft Teams. So for demo purpose I am using this. Add required attendance. So you have to give the required attendance. Who is going to attend your meeting? So in the organization you search the names. So I'll say yeah, I want to add my students. Dev dot C, right? So Dev Chaurashia. So I want to add him. I want to call for meeting, and you can add number of members here, like by giving the names, or you can give. And if you want, these are the required participants, and if some optional participants you want to add in your meeting, click here, right? Likewise, you can add number of participants, or invite the members to attend the meeting. You can change the time also here, and you want to repeat this session on every day at this time. So you can click here and set the repeat daily, every weekend, weekday, or weekly, or monthly, yearly, whatever you can custom this, right? So for that you can use this add channel. So through any channel or meeting you want to add, so you can add this, or you can give the location. There is no need to give the location because we are conducting it virtually. And the description of the meeting, So I'll say to discuss MS. Okay, and you save this. When you save this, the meeting will be saved, right? And accordingly the mail notification will be sent to the users, right? So this is the way to add the meeting and create the meeting. And when you create join the meeting, when the event will be there, and that event link will be sent to the particular student or the attendees, and they click and they can join here by clicking join. So here these two options will be available, video, audio, or any device, and they need to click on join now. So automatically the meeting session will get continued, right? And the members will be joined by clicking on join now. So in this way the Microsoft Teams meeting will be created in the Microsoft Teams app, or you can say web based. And the meeting option, these are the options available. You can turn on your camera. Here you have your, what you can say, audio. You can share your screen. Here you have more actions, means number of settings, different settings there. We have so device settings, show meeting notes, entire full screen keypad, start recording. If you want to record your video or record this session, then you can click on restart recording. If you want to end the meeting, or turn off incoming video. So these are the options available for you. You can set, this is the advanced setting. Here if students want to raise a hand, or you can to raise the hand for any doubt, or if any doubt is there, then they can raise their hand. Here you can see the charts, so students can raise their questions or can write their questions in the chat. You can see here the participants. When you click on this, so all the participants will be shown you here. And here you can download the attendance list who is attending your meeting or session. That list you can download. If you want to manage the permissions, by clicking here you can manage the permissions. And again you want to invite someone, you can type their name directly from your organization. The names will be appear, select, and the invitation will be sent to that particular attendee or the participant. In this way you can create a meeting in our Microsoft team, as well as you can invite the participants to join the meeting. And if you want to end, you can end by clicking this, right? So this is the way to create the meeting, and we are leaving this meeting. So okay, so these were the details. So you can create the meeting like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.